Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's REDnote video, we are going to learn that how you can download videos from the REDnote application. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to open your REDnote application on your device. Once you open the application, you will have the interface like this, where you have the follow, explore, or nearby. And here in the For You, you have live, food, movie, and TV. You can select any category that you want to download a video. So suppose this one is a video and you want to download this video. So how are you going to do it? There is the option, the share option right at the bottom. Once you tap on that one, here is you can see new group, and right here is the save to album option. So if you tap on this, is you can see the video is downloading, and once the downloading will be 100%, it will be saved to your gallery on your phone. So once it is 100%, I will show you the video in my phone gallery. So guys, as you can see, it says save successfully. So now I will go back to the phone gallery here, and here as you can see, the video has been downloaded. So guys, this is all it takes to download videos from REDnote application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.